The hardest recruit that you'll get today until 5 years from now is a first tier millennial. This millennial has no loyalty. They knew their value, they knew what they're capable of, and they know what their life goal is. So, if you happen got a first tier millennial, never try to tie their hands or their mind. Just let them actualize their ideas. Direct their ways. Never tell them what to do. Ask them what they're thinking. And just simply be their buddy in discussion. You have to appraise them good, so they won't be moving to others' company who willing to give them a higher salary because their loyalty only to career and appreciation. It's just the fact of this millennial.